Hi, I'm Brad Look with the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. Hope you can join my live course, A to Z Tabletop Prosthetics. This course is developed for the makeup artist who wants to make their own appliances and be able to create things on their own in the confines of a makeup trailer. The first step is actually creating the base that you're going to be sculpting on using a ready-made form that you can find at any grocery store or Walmart or Target. The next part is actually sculpting out the wound. What I'm going to show you is a technique I came up with that speeds up the whole process using a clay extruder to make the rough form, and then I'll show you how to refine the form with textures such as wrinkles, pores, etc. The next thing I'm going to share with you is generating a negative silicone mold that you can now use to make your appliances. You can make these pieces out of Bondo, gelatin, foam latex, even silicone. The other thing I'm going to show you is different little tips on how to color the silicone and the other various materials using products that you would have already in a makeup trailer. I'm going to show you how to apply this to the actor, how to color it, and how to make it look like it's seamless with the rest of the skin. Using these techniques, you can create a vast variety of wounds, contusions, bruises, whatever that's needed and required in the script. I hope to see you live online.